Is dark chocolate good for nerve pain? Nerve pain, also known as neuropathic pain, is often described as burning, tingling, or shooting discomfort. It's a common symptom in conditions like diabetes, sciatica, or nerve injuries. While medication and therapy are the primary treatments, some foods may help support nerve health. One surprising option is dark chocolate. But is dark chocolate good for nerve pain? Looking for fast, natural relief from nerve discomfort? Discover the solution trusted by thousands. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 5 reasons why dark chocolate may offer benefits. 1. Rich in antioxidants, dark chocolate contains flavonoids like epicatechin, which help reduce oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can damage nerves and worsen pain. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals and support nerve cell health. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties, chronic inflammation plays a role in nerve damage. The flavonoids in dark chocolate may help lower inflammation by reducing pro-inflammatory markers like TNF-alpha and interleukins. 3. Improves blood flow, healthy circulation is essential for nerve repair. Flavonols in dark chocolate boost nitric oxide production, which improves blood flow and may help nourish damaged nerves. 4. Mood and pain modulation, dark chocolate naturally increases serotonin and endorphins. These brain chemicals are involved in mood and pain regulation, which may indirectly reduce the intensity of nerve pain. 5. Contains magnesium, magnesium helps regulate nerve function and can calm overactive nerve signals. Dark chocolate is a natural source of this important mineral. So, is dark chocolate good for nerve pain? It may help support nerve health when consumed in moderation, especially varieties with at least 70% cocoa and low sugar. While not a cure, it can be a beneficial part of a nerve-friendly diet. Always consult your healthcare provider before making dietary changes related to chronic pain. Struggling with nerve discomfort that just won't go away? Looking for fast, natural relief from nerve discomfort? Discover the solution trusted by thousands. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.